پاکستان کا خدا حافظ. After having done so much for the country and for the people of Pakistan, for the development of the country and welfare of the people, is this what I deserve? I have led this army from the front. I am not a study table type of, I have not been a chief who sits in a room and broods and ponders about things.
میرے خلاف جو اسپیشل کورٹ نے آرٹیکل 6 کیس کے اوپر فیصلہ سنایا وہ میں نے ٹیلی ویژن پہ پہلی دفعہ میں نے سنا. یہ فیصلے ایسے فیصلے کی پہلے کوئی مثال نہیں ملتی کہ نہ تو ڈیفینڈنٹ کو نہ اس کے وکیل کو اجازت ملی ہو کہ وہ اپنی دفاع میں بات کر سکے.
We have suffered 35,000 dead, 3,000 soldiers killed, 350 ISI people killed, generals killed, generals' children killed. What more should Pakistan do? Yes, indeed, we are doing our best. We are the first victims of terrorism and extremism. From Pakistan's point of view, yes, indeed, the requirement today is to have another third political force to carry out reforms and to introduce better governance, because the two major political powers, that is People's Party and PMLN, have governed 4 times over, or 3 times or 4 times over. Every time they have failed. So how many times are we going to give them an opportunity?
Mr. President, do you fight efficiently against terrorism? Will the elections be free and fair?
India itself must realize, do not do anything which destabilizes Pakistan's fight against terrorism. Look at what we are doing against the Taliban, against Al-Qaeda. Now, if you are trying to stab us in the back elsewhere, you are weakening our situation. It has a fallout into your area, into India.
Please move back. Please move back. Can you please keep moving? Keep moving.
Please understand that we are not a banana republic. And our armed forces, as I said, are extremely disciplined.